Let's make a slow cooker turkey. If you're planning a smaller Thanksgiving, then this garlic butter turkey is just what you need. I use a bone-in turkey breast for maximum flavor with a smaller crowd. Mix together 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, and poultry seasoning in a small dish. Then add in 4 tablespoons of salted butter and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic to another small bowl and mix together. You can use minced garlic like I'm using here for ease, or you can use fresh garlic and chop it up, either works. Pat dry the turkey with paper towels to remove excess moisture. Then place the turkey breast in a slow cooker. Spread the garlic and butter mixture all over the turkey, then sprinkle it with the salt, pepper, and seasoning mixture. Add 2 cups of chicken broth, or you could also use vegetable broth, to the slow cooker. Careful not to pour it directly on top of the turkey that you just buttered and seasoned. Slow cook on low for 4 to 6 hours or until the internal temperature is 165 degrees. To make the gravy, add 2 tablespoons of salted butter to a small pot and put over low to medium heat. Melt the butter completely and then slowly add in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and whisk to combine it with the butter. Using cornstarch in place of flour is a great trick for a naturally gluten-free gravy. Next, slowly whisk in half a cup of chicken broth from the slow cooker. The gravy will begin to thicken, and as soon as it's all mixed together, then it's done. Serve with your favorite sides like stuffing and veggies. If you want more easy and nostalgic recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.